Hi, I'm Leon for 7-Day Dental. I'm sharing with you today some information about our Ladera Ranch sleep dentistry. Sleep dentistry is utilized in different forms depending on the situation and your health. There's an oral form that you take a pill before you have the treatment done, and it relaxes you through the treatment. Sometimes there's moderate anesthesia, it's an analgesic, that's laughing gas or nitrous oxide. It helps you forget what you're going through. You also need to be numb during the procedures they're doing, even though you're on some type of sedation. There's also IV sedation, which needs to be monitored carefully. You also need to numb the areas that you're treating for any type of dentistry when you're giving sedation. Consultation, come on in, we'll talk with you, go over your health history, find out what you could do to curb your dental phobia and have a really good experience. We'll do that. Now, all of our offices have sleep dentistry. The ones in Anaheim, Laguna Woods, and Ladera Ranch. So if you make an appointment at any one of the offices, you'll find that we can satisfy your needs and help you and give you some great information on what you can do going forward to maintain your great smile. Thanks.